Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair, guys. Our mission here at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos, guys. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Have you ever had a BMW E46 or other ones as well that has a loose kidney? Okay, let me show you what the problem is now. Okay, this one, we have that beautiful ZHP, guys. It's on World Mechanics, our main channel. It's down there in the description of the video. Check it out, guys. Amazing videos there. And thank you for all of you for helping us grow. So that's what we're going to use. Steel, okay? Steel stick right here. So when you get this one in, okay, let me turn the light on. You get it in, and usually they break right here on the bottom. This is supposed to hold it, okay, and it doesn't. There is a couple on top as well. Ours, only the bottom ones are broken. So, okay, you can see it comes off. Yep, and we just close the hood pretty loud. Okay guys, so we're going to cut a piece of that steel weld, okay, and we're going to mix it. You need to mix it really good because the inside, the middle part, is the activator and the outer one is the one that bonds everything together. Okay, so it needs to be warm. Right now it's really cold, that's why we're a little bit by the heater, so we can make it a little bit warmer that way. Okay, and once you mix it, okay, we're going to install it next. Okay guys, you can see it started mixing. The more you mix it, it's going to activate, get warm. You start smelling funny as well. Need to wash your hands, sorry for that. Okay, and we're going to install it now. So we'll get it in. Okay, usually if everything works good, you just push those in. Okay, and ours, okay, right now here on top everything is holding. So our only problem is the bottom right now. Okay guys, so we're going to install right there where the clip is. So you make a piece, okay, and you need to connect the metal piece with the plastic piece there. And we're going to do the same for the other clip. Depending how many clips are broken, you may do up to 4. Okay, and it will just stay there. We'll add a little bit on top just in case, so we don't need to worry about it in the future. And some people will say you cannot remove that one if you need to later. Believe me, you can. We've done it in the past. All we need to do is just get a screwdriver. So now you need to let it set for an hour or two and you're ready to drive it. That'll be the whole procedure, guys. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe. Let's grow that channel together. So guys, hopefully the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Now check out our YouTube channels, guys. We have more than 19,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.